If you want to buy a new car, you must not just drive it away. If you don't check these 4 places, your new car will be repaired 8 times a month. First, we open the passenger door, find the production date on the vehicle nameplate. Domestic vehicles cannot exceed 3 months. Imported vehicles cannot exceed 6 months. Otherwise, this car is a stock car. Second, let's look at the tire's production date. 2624 means it was produced in the 26th week of the 24th year. If the tire's production date is different from the production date on the vehicle's nameplate, then the vehicle may have had its tires replaced due to an accident. Third, let's check the production date of the glass. The numbers represent the year. The black dots represent the month. The dots are in the front. Subtract the number of dots from 7. The dots are in the back. Subtract the number of dots from 13. Look, this glass was produced in August 24th. If you find that the production dates of all the glass in the car are different, it may be that the glass was damaged during transportation. Fourth, we verify whether the car was used for a test drive before. We pull out the dipstick and check the color of the oil. If the oil is clear, it proves that there is no problem. If the oil is black, it proves that it is a test drive car in the store. Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn car knowledge every day.